Whales accumulate, but it's not affect the price at all. But the problem is, guys, absolutely the same news was posted in June 2025. Honestly, I like Link. I like Chainlink. I think this project had a great future. But in this video, I would like to show you one of simple example how they post something just like a marketing, part of the marketing to bring attention to the project. So today or yesterday, yes, we saw the great news on the official Twitter page, Chainlink. So the MasterCard and Chainlink are enabling 3.5 billion card holders to purchase crypto directly on chain, and showed that, the roadmap, how basic retailer, basic user could buy the crypto by cards, and how it swap it and go directly to your card, MasterCard. So all the process. So it's like, wow, something crazy. So the MasterCard global payment network and the partnership with the Chainlink, like incredible. Like it should be that crazy bullish news. Everybody uses the Visa and the MasterCard, right? But the problem is, guys, absolutely the same news was posted in June 2025. So almost a year ago. This is just a part of the marketing campaign. That's why I always repeat it again and again. Just filter your feed, just ignore all of this noise and pay attention only for the chart. When they don't know what to do, how to bring attention to the project, they start post the paid post or in the media, or they start some campaign posts with a bullish adoption, bullish news. It's not about only about a link. It's about all projects. You remember in 2024, 2025, just dozens of the project partnership with the Google Cloud, and nothing happened after that, So just ignore all of this news and pay attention for the charts, for the price, because this is the answer. What you need to know about what will happen next with the projects, right? The news is just can be just a small catalyst. It's just a part of the marketing campaign, nothing more. Zone of interest, guys, for the link, absolutely still the same. So this is a zone is like 816, 474. I will charge personally link maybe for the spot if we drop under $5. I don't like this huge block, what will leave it in the mate zone 20. So I don't like it, right? If we turn on the smart money concept zones indicator, what we can see? I remind you, for me personally, the link is so promising. A project with the potential to hit the new all-time high in the future. The new all-time high for the link is $76.48, around here. I don't think so the Chainlink will hit the $100 in the near future, like 1 or 2 years. It's my personal thoughts about it. Yes, I believe in the all-time high. When? I have no idea. I'll be not surprised if the summer will be once again in a range like 816, 474. That's it. Done. Now we can hide the FIB, right, at this one, and double check with indicator set. So smart money concept zones, guys. If we go back to the monthly time frame, this favorable gap. This is auto block, not favorable gap. This is what I don't like. That's why we can drop even under that accumulation zone and test for 417 or 225. Do you believe in a link under the $3? Honestly, not. Honestly, not. All right, but for me personally, it can be like a zone. Break of structure, liquidity pools, and the favorable gaps. What do we can see? This is a favorable gap. I don't think so. It's so important. Above, we also got a gaps. This one not close, and this one like a magnet, for the price. That's why, for me personally, it would be better to see something like this form the AQ lows. After that, form the new all-time high, and after that, crash it down. Something like this type of scenario. It's just my personal thoughts. Weaker time frame, under is the gaps, and to this one. Technically, if we use the smart money concept zone and the rules of break of structure, here it was a break of structure down. Now we broke the structure up. That's why, yes, we got all chances go to the even 1287 or 2073, and after that, drop it lower. That's why I'm not rush to touch the link. Trade on, guys. No signal to take profit. So let's add alert. Take profit from the sales. Still no signal. It's kind of bad. Daily, it was there. Sell, take profit, buy, recommendation, close position, take profit from the buy, sell, buy back. Also, you can add even alerts to the daily time frame to take profit from the sell on a daily. So if you would like to buy my zone of interest, I showed you, they still the same. Take profit indicator, guys. Here the buy line. Now it's 616 inside of the zone of interest. This one. Maybe at the buy line, I will try to open the futures trade. Under the $5, maybe I will touch the link for the spot. So that's it. Now we're just in the range. Take profit line 1238, buy line 619, 616. Technically on a weekly time frame, we underrated. So if we're gonna drop lower, we could dump on the fundamental value again. So yes, inside the accumulation zone. If you feel comfortable, even buy now, you can buy 9, for example, 6, and $4, for example. The entry will be like 650. And after that, it could be the pump to 13. You withdraw initial deposit at a leave free coins. So that's a plan, guys. 12 time frame, the buy line now it's 638. Take profit 1281. Let's go to the money power indicator. Daily time frame. Do we see some money inflow? No. No money inflow. Chainlink whales are accumulated while it's his new all-time high. Technically, it's good. The whales accumulate, but it's not affect the price at all. That's why I explained to you. The whales don't care about the time. They can accumulate step by step. So we can see that more wallets who accumulate a big position of Link, but it cannot affect the price at all. And so they will start pumping, for example, in autumn. That's why. Be ready to see the losses, temporary losses, and some boring summer sideways. Weekly time frame, no money inflow. Last money inflow was here at the bottom in February. Now nothing. You can add also alert to buy and wait. So guys, my target, I showed you. My plan where I would like to open the futures trade, I showed you. The spot position also explained it. Right, please in a comment what you think about a Link. If you like to trade as my customer set, and highly recommend to double check all of them, by yourself, write me DM. See you next time.